Hi guys, today's tip is all about one of my favorite colors to use, and that's the Pinata Rich Gold. It is so mesmerizing to watch and so much fun to use. Now my first tip is always give it a shake before you use it, because we need the ball inside to mix the gold particles around. So after you've given it a shake, you need a wet surface on your Yupo first. So if I were to add the gold first, and then add a drop of alcohol, it doesn't really spread as well. But if I were to put some alcohol ink first, followed by my gold, and then a drop of alcohol, this is when we see the magic happen.